In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on this section called Security and Privacy. Then tap on Lock Screen, and when you're ready, decide which login method you wanna use by tapping on it: PIN, password, or pattern. When you're ready, it's time to create it in this pop-up. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just hit Retry at the bottom left corner and redo it correctly. Then choose Continue at the bottom right one and repeat your login method to confirm it. When you're sure, hit Confirm. Last but not least, manage lock screen notifications by operating all of those options here. You can even switch them off or turn them on. Then hit Done and go back. So now we can finally check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!